Good morning, students. Today I am here to discuss conditionals. Students, we have to study four conditionals: zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. So total four conditionals we have to study. Conditionals, we have already studied adverb clauses. And in adverb clauses, we have studied adverb clause of condition. If, unless these two conjunctions are used in adverb clause of conditions. So students, we are starting the conditionals, and in this video, we will understand zero conditional. Students, zero conditional, it is used for talking about general truth. To talk about general truths, we use zero conditional. It means that always happens under certain conditions. We use zero conditional to talk about general truths that always happen under certain conditions. Students, in zero conditionals, two clauses, one main clause and other subordinate clause. And we are well familiar with main clause and subordinate clause. In zero conditional, both the clauses, they are in simple present tense. I repeat, in zero conditional, both the clauses, main clause and subordinate clause, both the clauses are in simple present tense, as we are talking about general truth. And to express general truth, we always use the simple present tense. So, in zero conditional, both the clauses, main clause and subordinate clause, both the clauses are in simple present tense. Students, the form of zero conditional, if or when and simple present tense, that is one clause, and second clause, in that also we use simple present tense. If and when clause, that is subordinate clause, and other clause, that is the main clause. Students, I repeat, in zero conditional, both the clauses are in simple present tense, and that is why I have written here form. Simple present with if clause, and in second clause also we use simple present tense, as zero conditional is used to talk about the general truth. Now let's see the examples. Examples will clarify the use of zero conditional. See the use. If you heat snow, it melts. Now it is a general truth. If you heat snow, it melts. Now if you observe two clauses, if you heat snow, one clause, and second clause, it melts. Here we can also observe that both the clauses, they are in simple present tense, heat and melts. Both the verbs show simple present tense, and as it is general truth, if you heat snow, it melts. Second sentence, water boils when you heat it. Here two clauses, water boils and when you heat it. Both the clauses are in simple present tense, heat and boils. Both these verbs show simple present tense, and both these sentences express general truth, and that is why I have used zero conditional. In zero conditional, both the clauses are in simple present tense, and zero conditional is used for talking about the general truths that have always happened under certain conditions. One more thing I want to inform you, that if you heat snow, it melts. Now when, if and when clause, they are at the beginning of the sentence, then after completion of that clause we have to use comma. See, first example, if you heat snow, that if clause at the beginning of the sentence, that is why after that clause we have to use comma. If clause it is used second, then we are not using comma. For example, snow melts if you heat it. Now see the sentence. Snow melts if you heat it. In that also, if you heat it, snow melts. But here if clause it second, so I haven't used comma. Same is applicable for when also. When clause it is placed second, then we are not using comma. But if or when clause they are at the beginning, that time we have to use comma after the clause. For example, see, when you heat water, comma, because we have used when clause at the beginning. When you heat water, it boils. You can clearly see the difference. When I have used if clause and when clause at the beginning, I have used comma. And when they are used second, that time I haven't used comma. So this thing we have to remember in these four conditionals. I recapitulate. Zero conditional, it is used for talking about general truth, things that have always happened under certain conditions. In zero conditionals, both the clauses, they are in simple present tense. Thank you, students.